Okay, this does not look like this is gonna end well.
For you guys.
Excuse mama.
He sees the good in everyone. And I see the truth.
கூந்தலுக்குள்ளே